Hello dear students, we all know that studying and teaching in this pandemic time has been a bit challenging for all of us, since most of the time the classes were virtual and the problem were real. So the proper interaction between teacher and a student could not take place. Considering all the fact and challenges, we in Vibrant Academy have initiated some important series of workshops for you all that will definitely help you to prepare well in these board exams. So with the first series of workshop, we are going to present you Sociothon. This is a marathon workshop for social science and it will cover some important portion, chapters and details of this subject within a short span of time. This workshop is of 5 days, 3 hours per day basis, starting from 23rd of November till 27th of November. The timing of this workshop will be 4 p.m. till 7 p.m. And I can assure you that after attending this workshop, some important details, chapters, map work of the social study will be on your fingertip. So student who have missed chance to study properly, can avail the benefit of this workshop and they can, pass the exam with flying colors. So student, I welcome you all in this workshop and feel the difference. Thanks a lot.